Today, we're going to talk about how to meet billionaires the easy way. But first and foremost, Neil, what's the benefit of even meeting these billionaires?
They're typically well connected. I say typically because not everyone is, but some just inherit the money. They don't have connections, but typically they're well connected. They can bring you introductions to help you grow your business. Not always, sometimes. And Eric and I have found that the easiest way to meet them, funny enough, is Twitter. They're all on Twitter. It really is the easiest way. They'll respond, they communicate, and it's just like, you can't get really anything better than that.
Yeah, I found Twitter. I actually posted a tweet earlier today. I was just like, Twitter's an underutilized marketing channel in general because you have the smartest people in the world hanging out and they'll engage with you. You DM them. I've DM'd a handful of very successful people that are, in hundreds of millions of net worth or billionaires, right? And they're very friendly. And I've met some of my best friends that way too. So, I think Twitter's a good way, but what I found, Neil, I don't know how many billionaires I've personally met maybe 3 or so in real life, but just going to conferences, right? Going to conferences, and then you could reach out to them on Twitter saying, hey, I'm at this conference right now, really liked X, Y, and Z, right? But if you're down to meet up for a little bit, because here's the thing, if they're at a conference, maybe they're far, far away, they actually have time, right? It's not like they have anywhere else to go at the moment. So you can use a combination of Twitter and the conference. I find that the density of the people at a conference like TED, for example, or maybe Singularity University, or maybe X Prize or something like that, you're going to meet some amazing people just because billionaires usually try to push themselves to think at another level, and they're constantly trying to challenge themselves and challenge the way that they think, right? So strong views, loosely held. That's how you're going to meet these people because they're thinking at another level than most people.
Yeah. And the way we end up looking at it is, look, with all these billionaires, if you meeting them is one thing, building a relationship is another. And the best way to really build a relationship is by helping them out for free. It's easier for Eric and I because we're marketers, so we can just help them with marketing. But you got to figure out what's your angle, what you can do to really help them out and build that relationship over time.
All right. That is it for today. If you want to meet some billionaires, and sometimes, right, billionaires come to conferences, marketingschool.io/live. That's LIVE for our virtual and our live event. It doesn't matter if you're a marketer at a company or an entrepreneur, we got different tiers. All right. So go and check it out and we'll catch you later.